Hello, this is Will with GWA Auto. I'm here with the factory replacement tailgate latch handle. Compatible with Toyota Sequoia 2001 to 2007, Toyota Sienna 1998 to 2003. This latch handle is made of very heavy-duty metal construction. It has an improved mechanism for longevity. Included is the factory mounting hardware. It's high quality and easy to install with no special tools required. So if your latch handle is sticky or it doesn't work at all, you may need a new mechanism. Thanks for looking at this part from GWA Auto.